Yo, 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 yo. Frank Global HP Investments and Marketing. I'm Maurice Wendell. Just wanted to drop y'all a little knowledge real quick. Real estate broker. Um, a lot of people use the terminology real estate agent, and that's cool too. But the definition is a real estate broker, real estate salesperson. And people, like they said, people often call, them real estate agents. This is a person that basically completes transactions between a buyer and a seller. So the real estate agent or the real estate salesperson or the real estate broker, is a person that completes transactions between the buyer and the seller. Now you have different types of uh, real estate agents, real estate brokers that some of them represent buyers, some of them represent sellers, some of them just, do listings, So at the end of the day, this is a person that is trying to get the deal. That is his goal. His main goal is to get the deal, the transaction, final, done, completed. You know, Negotiation done. Um, this can be a big benefit for your business when you get the right type of agent on your team. So, like I said, go out and get you an agent, somebody that can help you in your business and help you focus on your market. Give you little pointers about your market, give you pointers about what's selling, give you pointers about hot areas. Um, just there's a lot that you can be learning from agents. If you just observe. So I'll leave a description in the bottom, and therefore you can go back and see exactly what the agent, do. And like I said, his goal is, to close transactions. Your goal is to leverage your time. So you get out there and you let the agent find those comps that you need, comparables of properties. And these comparables of properties are properties that you're interested in buying. If you brought a property that you think gonna sell, and if it's sold in that area, between a certain amount of time, that may be a good comp, that you can find on the same block or in the area that's generally the same type of property that's sold, and that means that you can possibly sell your property as well for fair market value, close to what that like property sold for. So yeah, get your real estate agent, have them to run some comps, let them make some offers on the properties that you may like, whatever area you're looking into to try to buy properties. Have them to present offers to sellers on your behalf, and you do the math on what you think you're going to pay for a property, versus the cash flow that you're trying to cash flow of the property, because you're trying to cash flow the property. So you do the numbers, you have them look up some comps, you find the best deal, you make money, real estate agent make money, and continue on a good relationship. So like I said, go ahead on and subscribe when you get a chance. I'll leave a description of some things that the agent do in the bottom, and you can check that out too. And I'll also leave you a link where you can find great people to work with, great agents to work with, and that fit your criteria. So join me on my next video. Definitely gonna talk about a lot of real estate stuff, a lot of business stuff. Just letting y'all get it. Like I said, keep on, teaching, Keep on spreading the word. Keep helping each other. If you have any questions, feel free to hit me up, comment. These real estate agents are great people. They can help you in your business. They can make things run smooth, and then some of them are, like I said, they got some agents, like you got good and you got bad. So, you may have some bad people out there too, but, just find you a good person that you can work with and y'all kind of compatible, and, you can make some great money, having a great agent on your team. So, stay focused, holler back. Frank Global, HP Investments and Marketing. We buy houses in any condition. Till my next video, God bless. I'll talk to you soon.